Welcome in. Today we're looking at a part of Bluecoats 2022 show, and it goes just like this. So let's not mess around, let's get stuck straight in on that first line. You can see we start off with this pattern, there's 3 rights and 1 left. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and then this little buzz roll. Just 2 triplets. So we get 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and an accent to the start of the buzz roll. 1 and 2 and a tap release. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Next bar, into some cheeses, right? We get 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. And then the last part of this bar, this took me quite a while to get. I just hadn't done this before in all my years of drumming, where I've got a left-handed flam that's quiet, and then a little pattern that goes. So we get 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. So we get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1. If you haven't done that before, like me, you might have to do that like hundreds of times to get really good at it. Now it actually joins on to the next bar to make kind of a flam paradiddle, or a flammer diddle 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 tap, really. That's how those 2 bars are joined, look. So if we learn the next bar on its own though, we can think of this as a 7-stroke roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With that buzz roll again that we had at the start. So 1 E and a 2 E and 3, 4, 1. So the whole of that line will go. Now for most of you, you'll probably have to practice that little a few times, all right? Let's do this to the metronome, right? They're playing this at crazy speeds, like 180, right? We're going to drop it way down to start with. Let's go for 140 might work. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Last time. 3, 4. Next line. In this line, you can see that we start off with this pattern that's 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we end on count 4 with a left hand. Another left. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. Now this next part is essentially a triplet roll, so this kind of roll, but we're just playing, but we're just decrescendo in that with no accents. So, but what's really difficult about this is it comes in on the upbeat, not on the downbeat. Now the best way that I've found to learn this is to learn it really slow with single strokes so that my mind can hear the pattern that I'm going for, and then when I do it faster, I've got some target notes. So if I was to take that left hand, which is the count 4, so we're going 4 and 1 and 2 and. Now you can see I've written this one in 8/4 because of the way it goes over the bar line. So this one here would go 4 and 5 and 6 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. So this sort of speed, 4 and 5 and 6 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Now I'm going to put in the next note so you can feel the timing of that. Now where I'm playing those singles, the pattern, that's actually going to be a roll. So, difficult concept to write. If you do it slow enough times to get it in your mind, then you better do it fast. So that part then is that. Now that's the last part of this bar then goes, just kind of crescendoed, paradiddle diddle bang. So the whole bar. Let's do it out of the Met. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Last time. And on to the next line. This next line looks as if it was just triplets, as in 1, 2, 3, triplet, 4 triplet, but it's actually 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 5, 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 really I suppose, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. If we take chudishes, that's these, chudda, 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 they're groups of threes, right? If I cheese it, I get cheese-churs. Well, that's kind of what we're doing in this part, but we're not playing it in triplets. We're playing it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Well, you can see we're playing it in sixes, and the first one, instead of being is actually a rim shot, so we get. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we get, which I would think of as a flam roll, another 7. Now they're actually playing those less all up. So all together, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Oh, messed that up. Now again, it's got kind of a crescendo here, so we'd actually be a bit lower. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6 to finish the line out. Let's do that with a metronome. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On to your next line. Next line, we start off with this pattern that's just right, right, left, left. Then we play a right-handed paradiddle. Then we play left-hand paradiddle diddle. So we get. Now, numbers-wise, that would go 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E, and we'd be ending on the and of 4. Like that. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. And now we've got this same thing going on here where we're playing these triplet rolls that are coming in on upbeats. Now in this case, we just start off with the equivalent of. So what I'm going to get you to do to start with, if we take that left-handed paradiddle, 1 E and a 2 E, 1 E and a 2 E and a 1. If you play that, that's not too bad because we can feel it's a triplet. And 1 E and a 2 E and a 1. Well, then we're just continuing that. Now we're playing with singles, right, which would put it back on the wrong hand, but we could continue playing that. Once we've got that in our head, again, it gives us the template that we can use to play. Now, some of you want me to play that as fast as that, right? But the main thing is I want you to hear me playing it so you can hear like, oh, it's da-ga-da-da-ga-da-da-ga-da. Then when we get the pattern in there, it's actually just a triplet roll. So we can I do it slow? Maybe, let's try that with Met. Hopefully that's given you a bit of an insight into how it's going to sound. So we get... So what we've got to do at the end is go into that triplet. So the last two counts of that will be triplet roll into a hand-to-hand triplet. So the whole line. And it's really going to feel like you've got to dig in a little bit on those fast rolls. 2, 3, 4. Time. So on to the final line. This final line starts off with a nice little paradiddle stop. Paradiddle stop with two accents at the start. Paradiddle stop. Paradiddle stop. Paradiddle stop. Paradiddle stop. Then we get these two little triplets. But instead of playing them as single strokes, we're playing it as right, right, left, right, right, left. Love this little part here, right? Now the right hand just crescendos from sort of a medium hit to a loud hit to the very end where we just go a rim shot and then a left hand. So we get 1 the end of 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 1 the end of 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now the transition from the line above into this one has got that triplet, if you remember. So you've got to make sure you jump straight on the speed of this. 2, 3. Now let's finish this line out though, right? So we get 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Well, that pattern there is basically doing dotted eighth notes, which is going to be 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. With a Met. At that speed, it's that minus the notes in between. Whole line, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, same again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So that's all of it broken down. Let's go top to bottom. Let's go nice and slow. We're going to start 140. Maybe do 160, 180, all right? If you can keep up slow, all you've got to do is do lots and lots and lots of reps. You can only really play this fast, I find, when you can memorize it. Like I'm going to be reading this a little bit, it's just above the camera, you can probably see me looking at it, but realistically, I can probably play this, memorize it now. It's only once I can memorize it that I could get the faster speeds. So 140, so we're going to start, remember, with the, here we go, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, and 2, 3, and. So again, 2, 3, 4. is one of those that's easier in some ways to play fast because you can kind of hide by just listening around everyone. But these triplet parts are going to start to get real quick, right, as we speed this up. So let's try it 160. One, two, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. Right, let's try the whole thing then. 180. So this is about the tempo they're playing it. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. Okay, I was a little slow on the fast. The second to last bar. I'm going to push that this time. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. I'll take that one. Okay, as I always say with these things, try it slow, go a little bit faster, go a little bit faster, get those reps in, and you'll see me playing it as fast as I can play it there. Very cool little bit of writing. If you've got any comments on today's lesson, please leave them below. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe. Loads of you guys who watch these videos all the time are not subscribed yet. Anything you want me to teach you, stick it in below. I do read all the comments. Also, if you get a chance, go check out my books. I also get asked about lessons quite often. Yes, I do lessons. I am based in the UK, so I do teach some guys from the States and that part of the world, America, but the time zones don't work great for us, right? So we've got to figure out times that work. So if you want lessons, do get in touch, but bear in mind, we've got to make it work with the time zones. I'll see you in another lesson real soon. Thanks for watching. See you again.